Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Now I am in Sathorn, the Parco condominium Sathorn. This one located on Nang Linji Road, and we just cross the street, and we get to the Macro supermarket. And just nearby we have like bun tat tong noodle. I just done two, yeah, and two dishes. Feel like can't move. And today I'm going to show you guys around. I will start by walking inside to the lobby and then to the 8th floor here to the facility floor. And I would say this is like maybe we can like get off at MRT Klong Tơi and then use the bike. I use it and it cost me 70 baht nah. Not the best choice if you're looking for like condominium which we can get to the MRT or BTS line easily. Is not easy, but this condominium, it's rarely that I can find any units renting out, because most of the owner they stayed here themselves, and also the renter, they rented it for long term, like have been rented for long term, because one of the reason I saw so many parents they just hold the kids, the small one like 2 to 3 to the Raintree International School. Is like preparation school before they can get to the Shrewsbury's International and other international schools. So let's take a quick walk with me, everyone. Parco Sathorn, everyone. บรรยากาศเลย Let's try this way. Oh, Banbury flower. This. We are going on to 8th floor. Going fast, these mailboxes. Okay, out of the elevator. We're gonna go this way. Okay. Oh, it's multi-purpose room. And how about this one? What about this one? Really? We try. I push it. Oh. Okay. 40 something meters นะ nice one L shaped one